So Toyota Rush. Check suspension. Brake pads. Super baga pa kayo. Yeah. Money stabilizer link. So is na run. Both side ni left and right. Yeah. Tie rod. Tuck in. Wing. Oh no. Ball joint sa tayo sad. Need ilisan tie rod utak in. Tie rod in. Alright, salamat for the day.